Hello everyone. Our topic is fire dismissal of employees from a legal perspective. Our group members have Gauridi, Dou Xianglu, and Gong Yuqi. First, research background. In the modern workplace, employees dismissal has become a common practice in human resources management. However, some employees dismiss employees without just case or without following people procedures, raising the issue of unfair dismissal. Such situations directly impact employees' occupational safety and basic rights, and also pose challenges to corporate image and literacy. This study analyzed the legal basis and practical case of unfair dismissal under Malaysia's Industrial Relations Act. Case analysis. First, case background. Employee Nur Jaiqihad Norton, lead facilities specialist, joined the company in 2008. Reason for dismissal: in 2015, the company, citing falling global oil price and plummeting profits, laid him off on the pretext of declining profits and paid him 2 months' salary as service pay. In second, employees accumulate and action. Nor Jais argued that the layoff were not justifiable and that the procedures were unfair, violating the principles of natural justice and constituting victimization. He failed complete with the Industrial Relations Authority and initiated proceeding under Section 20 of the Industrial Relations Act. Third, industrial court ruling. The industrial court ruled that the company failed to adequately demonstrate the reasonableness and accuracy of the layoffs. The company's decision to adjust the layoff criteria by bypassing the last-in, first-out principles was unjustified. The dismissal failed to adhere to procedural fairness and could not be justified. Result: service pay. The company paid 266,766 ringgit. Compensation 387,607 ringgit in compensation awarded. Written retrospective pay 810,451 ringgit. Total compensation originally due a primacy 1198,058 ringgit, but due to solvency pay already paid, the company ultimately had to pay an additionally 931,291 ringgit.
Legal analysis the Highland, just cost and accuse. Employees must prove specific receivable reasons for the dismissal. Failure to do some consecutive or failed dismissal. Precisions the finance. The dismissal process must transparent and feels influenced, prevented employees with opportunities to defend themselves or avoid employs the right to challenging up under sections the 20th. Employees that may challenges under sections the 20 of the Industrial Relations the Act 1967 within 16 days of the dismissal. Industrial Cost Authority. And the industrial court has the authority to determine whether a dismissal has occurred and may order reinstatement or the compensation for lacking the global protection. The art protection sets the lawyers to the protest employees who has been treating unfairness due to the procedure of the rational issues. Implications. Employees must provide clean research and evidence to the legally land of the influence. Further procedures such as a warmed and discussion should be followed to avoid hasty decisions. Following district exercise such for first in, last out can entrench the legality. The industrial court stressed massive fairness, not just formalities. If influenced experienced unfair treatment that such the quickly find completely under sections 20 of the Industrial Relation Act.
Through our group research, we have gained five key insights. Firstly, the importance of legal protection. This case shows that employees are not powerless when faced with unfair dismissal. Through the Industrial Relation Act 1967, Section 20, employees can legally challenge unfair treatment and seek justice. This greatly strengthened our awareness of our legal rights in the workshop. Secondly, the value of just case and procedural fairness. We realized that employees must not only justify dismissal with facts but also follow a fair and transparent process. A failure in other aspect can lead to serious legal and financial consequences. That's taught us that both what you do and how you do it matter equally in employment law. Thirdly, legal knowledge had a real-world impact. This was not just a theoretical case. It involved over 900,000 ringgit in compensation. It helped us connect classroom knowledge with real life consequences, deepening our interest in labor law and dispute resolution. Fourthly, group research and collaborative learning. Working together on this project improved our ability to collaborate, research legal materials, and communicate complex legal ideas clearly. We learned how to divide tasks effectively and support each other's learning. Finally, personal growth. We no longer see laws as abstract rules, but as practical tools for justice. The project encouraged us to think critically and analyze real cases and develop a legal mindset. It also made us more cautious and responsible uh, regarding our own future employment contracts. This experience has been a valuable learning journey, better preparing us for the future, whether as employees or employers. In conclusion, the law is a beacon of right, and the knowledge is the source of power. Okay, thank you.